On a sunlit rooftop, Batman and Iron Man trade gleaming quips, their gadgets hilariously misbehaving in daylight. Wonder Woman tries a truth-telling lasso, while Spider-Man cranks out puns, turning a simple demo into chaotic webbed wisdom. Aquaman arrives claiming the rain is his dramatic timing, just as Black Widow mimes a stealthy latte order in a cafe. The group argues in perfect improv fashion, swapping punchlines until Thor accidentally loafs metaphorically a hammer-shaped croissant and declares victory. In the end, they toast with SHIELD cookies, acknowledging that partnership beats solo heroics, even when miscommunication saves the day.